Hey, this is Teresa Ornelas with Alpha Loaner, and we are going to be going over the Business Development Accelerator programs and the behind the scenes of launching projects and businesses within the Alpha Loaner agency. Okay, so first off, we're going to do that the meeting project progress begins now. And you might see me looking down often here. That's one screen I'm looking at, and then you might see me look this way. And that's another giant screen that I'm looking at with a lot of different windows open on each one. If I could, I would probably have just a giant, and they do have them, giant curved screens, goals, right? That's next. We're going to be doing a pre-meeting, gathering your notes for what needs to be done today. Consider that the goal of the meeting is to help you overcome all process holdups. We're going to discuss the issues, and then we're going to document steps for a solution, all set on a specific time frame, and we're going to have agreed on consequences if the task solutions are not completed on time. We've got 5 specific projects to discuss today. Discussing project number 1 is the Alpha Loaner Agency Funnel, launching the Easier Social Media webinar for business owners and entrepreneurs. Then number 2, we're going to discuss the Project Fitness Funnel, launching the Bodyweight versus Gravity webinar. Project 3, we're going to discuss Alpha Loaner Agency for Social Media Daily Communication Task. So this is very similar to Project 1, where it's the agency funnel launching the Easier Social Media webinar. That's going to be connected, but the social media tasks are more, in essence, what we're doing. Like the webinar shows essentially how we use social media to make it easier for our business, okay? And then the webinar is going to show how we make it easier for your business. So with that, let's get back to number 4 project, the Alpha Loaner Behind the Agency Scenes of the Launching Startups. So this again is going to be like with the fitness funnel, but more of a behind the scenes thing. That's the fitness webinar. It's like that. It is that, but it's from a different point of view. And we're going to be using a lot of this on social media. So we really need the behind the scenes because it's going to go over many different business types. Some that we create on our own, from 0 to hero in less than 34 days. And eventually we're going to be reaching out to getting other businesses involved. We're looking at number 5 project is going to be to follow up with the 127 emails opened and sent to the opportunity pipeline titled Free 15-Minute Business Blueprint Appointment. It's a special offer where the business owners get the tools that we use for social media management, websites, creations of funnels, client database management, emails, everything. They're going to get it free for 6 months when they start with the Coaching and Business Accelerator program. Again, it's only $997 one-time payment for 6 months. Pretty awesome, right? We're also looking at, this has just been added in, a feature development to get jobs for people who are young adults that have had difficulty getting their foot in the door, maybe like trying to do a career change from hands-on labor, unskilled labor to, office industry, professional industry, sales. We're looking at trying to help people get more experience working in the world, and they've had a lot of no's. They've applied a lot of places and been told no. So we're going to do a series on that as well, and that's going to be working with my son and helping him seeing things through his perspective and documenting the process as we go. The projects that we've discussed, there's 6 there. The 6th one has not been added yet to Slack. That one I will add it in. All projects should follow the template for standard operating processes for being able to get organized efficiently and to allow for easier daily operations of those tasks. We want to make sure that the implementation can encourage more consistent and predictable results. Right? So that's what the meeting agenda is for today, and we're going to be using Slack to make our updates on each one, and we'll go from there. We'll see how it goes. Tomorrow, with tomorrow's update, we'll have progress reports on how today's projects went. Thank you for joining me. This is Teresa signing off.